Hi guys, welcome back to Bite Size Excel. In this short video, we're going to take a quick look at how you might create a custom sort list in Excel. So in this example, we have a supplier list. Now you might have a supplier list that is thousands and thousands of rows long. And in this particular example, we've got our suppliers categorized by whether they're small, medium, or large companies. Now we might want to sort from large to small or small to large. Now if you select your drop-down list, you can see that while you can filter and you can sort A to Z, there isn't an option for sorting in a custom way. So this is easy to do. Make sure that you're clicked into your table, come over to your Data tab and over to this Sort and Filter group. Then we click on Sort and you'll come up with this little box. And what we can do is we can click on the drop-down list and say what we want to sort by. So in this case, we want to sort by supplier size. So we click on that. And rather than clicking on A to Z, if we click on this drop-down list, you can create a custom list. We come up with this custom list box, click on Add, and what you can do is you can type in your entries here. So we want to sort it large, then medium, and then small. You can also put these in the other way around, so small, medium, large. And we click on OK. And as you'll see, it's put in large, medium, and small, but it's also given me the option to sort them the other way around. If we click on large, medium, and small and click OK, you'll see for the most part it's sorted, but this last one for some reason hasn't sorted. Now the easiest thing to check if this happens, it's usually because there's an extra space in there somewhere. So if we click into that cell, you'll see there's an extra space. You can just take that out. If there's quite a few of them, you can use the trim function. And I do have another video on the trim function to remove any spaces around the words within your cell. So as you can see, if you go back into sort now, large, medium, small, click OK, it's now sorting in the way you'd expect. Equally, you can change that. So it's sorting small, medium, and large. You can also use the sort function to add another level. So say you want to add in your total annual spend, you could add that in there, smallest to largest or largest to smallest. But the sort function can be really useful if you've got large data sets that you want to sort on multiple levels. Quick introduction to how you create a custom sort list. If there's any other topics you'd like to see, please do let me know in a comment. And I do look forward to seeing you in a future video.